Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix cryptocurrency lending issues with BlockFi detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the nature of your lending issue with BlockFi. Identify whether your concern relates to loan collateral, interest rates, or repayment terms. Gather all relevant documentation, including transaction histories and account statements. Log into your BlockFi account to review the specific details of your lending situation. Check for any alerts or notifications that may indicate specific issues with your account. If you notice discrepancies, take screenshots of your account's information for future reference. Visit the BlockFi support section on their website to find resources related to common issues. Look for the FAQ section to see if your problem has already been addressed. If additional support is needed, locate the contact options available, such as live chat or email. Prepare a clear and concise message that outlines your issue, including any pertinent details. Include your account information, but avoid sharing sensitive information like your password. Submit your inquiry and await a response from the BlockFi support team. Keep an eye on your email notifications for updates regarding your case. While waiting for a response, review BlockFi's terms of service and user agreements for clarity. If your issue is urgent, consider following up with customer support after a reasonable period. Once you receive a response, analyze the solution proposed by BlockFi. If satisfactory, follow the instructions provided to resolve your lending issue. In case the response is not satisfactory, prepare a follow-up message detailing your concerns. Be patient but persistent in your communications with the support team. Monitor your account regularly to ensure that the issue has been fully resolved. If necessary, explore other channels such as social media to escalate the matter. Document all communications and responses throughout your resolution process. Upon successful resolution, continue to educate yourself on best practices for cryptocurrency lending. Stay informed about any changes to BlockFi's policies that might affect your lending agreements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.